Welcome back to Sleeper Barbecue. We got another cook for you today. We're going to use this Vevor sandwich press again. I'm not tired of using it yet. Today we're going to try for the first time some shrimp toast. So this is going to be interesting. Most of the recipes, probably 90% of the recipes I've seen, they have used like a deep fryer or a pan fryer in grease, or oil rather, and I'm going to cut out the frying part of it, try to make a little healthier version of it if possible. I have seen a couple recipes for like an oven bake, but this one we're going to use this sandwich press and see how good it turns out. We'll bring you back. Alright, we're back. I had to show off my knife roll. Compliments of Mr. RXTX, Randy and Christy. I appreciate y'all. They weren't using it, and I said I can use it, so we're putting it to good use. Soft leather, very nice roll. Thank you very much. So we're going to go over our groceries. This recipe calls for about 300 grams of shrimp. I didn't weigh it out as far as grams and all that. I just cleaned, deveined, and peeled what I thought looked like the proper amount. It also called for potato starch. I didn't have potato starch, I had corn starch. I substituted, but I cut it back to instead of 1.5 tablespoons, I just used 1 tablespoon. I did use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. I opted to go out of the cilantro because I'm just not a fan of cilantro. So I took the cilantro out. There is the whites of 1 egg in this bowl, and some of the yellow did sneak in there in between my fingers. Also, I have here about a teaspoon of Captain Morgan's spiced rum. I just wanted to tweak it up a little bit. About a teaspoon of Old Bay hot sauce. I'm not sure I got that in there, but there you go, that's a spiced rum. I also have a half of a teaspoon of sesame oil. It gives it that sort of that nutty flavor, which really did work. I'm also going to be adding later on probably some Uncle Steve Gator Shake, without a doubt. So let's get to chopping. So we're going to cut these all up, and then we're going to chop them. Some of them actually use like a, they'll take and actually use like a paste, where they just take their knife, you know, and just smear it across the cutting board. I'm not going to do that. I want the chunks a little chunkier than, you know, just a paste. So you do which way you prefer. I'm just thinking that the chunks are going to be a little bit better. I don't mind tasting the shrimp. Not that you wouldn't taste it as a paste, but I just want the texture, I guess is what I'm trying to get out. Alright, we have everything roughly chopped. We can break out our Dow Strong rocker, butcher knife, whatever you want to call it. I call it a rocking knife, to be honest. And we're just going to chop this stuff up to where it's nice and fine. Alright, I'm pretty much there. Alright, we're going to get this together and get it into this bowl here with our egg and sesame seed oil and bourbon, and hot sauce, and garlic powder. Just get it stirred up into our ingredients. Alright, when you see me next, we'll be ready for the bread. Alright, so one of the other things we're going to do is make a dipping sauce for this shrimp toast. So we're coming in with Thai style sweet chili sauce. I have no idea what the amounts I'm going to put in here. Just going to put in there so it looks good, and then I'm going to taste it. And then we're going to top that off with some of this sriracha. Coming in some more of that sweet chili sauce, Thai sauce, Thai style sweet chili sauce, and I need more of that sriracha. Dang, that's good. Come up with a little bit more of this chili sauce just to sort of thicken it up. We'll put this in the refrigerator as we're making our toast. So I'm going to spray my bread one side, flip it over, take our mixture here, stir it one more time. Use the back side of this, put a glob of it on there and spread it out. Just in case you can't see it, that's sort of close up there. We're going to top this off with another piece of bread. Here's 280 something, 290. So I'm happy with that. My concerns was that I need to make sure that the content of this bread gets cooked. So here goes nothing. Alright, let's give it a check. Oh yeah. Not deep fried, but it's going to be healthier. Try to get that probe in there before it get a reading so it don't touch the bottom. 195. I'd say that bad boy's cooked. 186. Alright, let's see how we did. Of course, you know we're going to try some of this dipping sauce. But dang, that is some kind of good. Take a bite and show you the inside. That's good stuff. Alright, as y'all can see, I did do one panini style. I'm Lance, Sleeper Barbecue, St. Mary's County, Maryland. Until next time, and thank you for watching.